guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Reena and I'm going to tell about how can we improve our English. English it is based on consistency. If you do practice every single day with continuity, and if you learn any five sentence every day, so it will be beneficial for you as well as everywhere and with everybody. This is the best idea for learn any new something. If you are going to learn this language it is just like little difficult. If you do use with your daily routine with someone, with outside and anywhere, so those person I didn't have idea also in my initially day earlier time. I wanted to think only. I didn't have idea how can I convey my thought at English. So this is the also another way. If we do practice every single day and if few minutes only we spend 5 minutes, so this is the also this will be give just advantage for based on our English. So everyone has any different type of ideas, different type of formulae they would like to express in their self. So someone we there are so many languages. If we are interested, we would like to enhance anything just like any person. For example, for instances, I would like to share with you. There is a one person, he wants to do preparation any government exam. So then he can try. He is able to try every moment. He is giving him effort every single day, and he has discipline. Without discipline we can't enhance this skill. Discipline is mandatory thing for our build this skill. And without discipline, if you don't get up early at the proper time, so how do you get discipline? There is some many student, there are so many students, they would like to wake up early morning and they have done this discipline. They do meditation, they do their study with proper time, with exact time. So this is the also advantage for learn any new something constantly, continuity, immediately and quickly. So all person has any different type of goal, different type of object, different type of mindset. So we must be realize based on this topic how can we improve and how can we convey our thought with properly, with instantly, with immediately. So any person, it is a within 1 year, it is based on 1 year, any student they can pass only one class. So it takes 1 year. So English it is a just only, this is a subject, this is a mandatory thing. How can we apply and which method we apply in our daily routine? This is the also very professional role play in our life. And everyone has any different type of mindset, different type of so we feel energetic if we have any some desires, some specific goal, some specific idea we apply in our daily routine, so it will give just so many benefits for our life. So all person, all student, any few student, those are small, they started speaking anything whatever, any different type they talk. Most of the time they use their mother tongue. They do some pronunciation, it may be wrong. They words also it may be wrong most of the time, but they convey their thought every day, every moment. They speak, try more and more any different type of sentence. So we must be apply all those method. This method it gives us so many benefits, and it gives us a good impression for our personality. So discipline is the best key of success. We must be realize we are doing this work, that work with discipline, with consistency, with this method, that method, this way, that way, this way it will be good for us. So we must realize we have intelligence. So based on this intelligence we are able to take some decision, some good decision, bad path, it's our hand. If we know we would like to buy any different something for market, so we will have to go market. Then this is the also same process. If you are apply, if you are enhance this skill, you will have to speak 5 minutes, 10 minutes it. So in this way, if how can we reach this path, how can we reach this soap, that soap. So this is the also based on speaking. If we apply in our daily routine, we convey our thought and we can express all those around ourselves. This is the best method for growing in our life. We would like to enhance our personality or discipline, our all those way. So all those method we apply and in few minutes. So this is the best process, best content and best creation. We can evaluate ourselves, our all method we convey, and this is a creativity we can evaluate in ourselves time to time, every single day. All people they have any different kind of symbols, different kind of rule, different kind of ecstasies. And I was not good at English, but I had tried over and over again. This is the also best way I am convey my thought with you. So this is the best strategy I have discussed with you. So this is the best way of everyone and everywhere it gives us work. So thank you guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.